If you want to change the font in Bluehost, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to update your website's typography using the Bluehost WordPress editor. This is a simple way to give your site a fresh new look, improve readability, and make your branding feel more consistent across your pages. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Bluehost and WordPress guides. Let's get into it. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the website section. This is where Bluehost keeps all of the sites connected to your account, so go ahead and open that next. After that, find the website you want to edit and click WordPress Admin or Edit, depending on how your site is set up. This may take you directly into the WordPress dashboard or into the editor for that specific site. Now that you're in the WordPress area, head over to Appearance, then click Editor. This is where you can make visual changes to your website without having to touch code. Inside the editor, look for Styles. Styles is the area that controls the overall look and feel of your site, including fonts, colors, and layout options. Once you're in Styles, click Typography. This is the section that lets you manage the text appearance across different parts of your site. Here, you'll usually see options for different text elements such as text, headings, and sometimes other typography settings depending on your theme. Click the element you want to change first. If you want your regular paragraph text to look different, choose text. If you want your titles and section headers to stand out more, choose headings. After selecting the element, browse the font options and choose the one you want to use. As soon as you select a font, you should see the preview update so you can compare how it looks on your site. Take a moment to make sure the font matches your branding and is easy to read on both desktop and mobile. If it feels too decorative or difficult to read, it's usually better to choose a cleaner option. Once you're happy with the font choice, look for the Save button and click it to apply your changes. Saving is important because it publishes your updated typography settings to the website. After that, it's a good idea to preview a few pages on your site to make sure the new font looks consistent across different sections, and that's it. You've now changed the font in Bluehost using the WordPress editor. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and it can make a big difference in how professional your website feels. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Bluehost tutorials on the channel.